Okay, Circle Review Study Guide. This is part F, number 14. Here again we're looking for an arc length of arc CD, which is up over here, CD. So to get the arc length, we need to know what that arc is in degrees, and then use the formula for arc length. Okay, so how are we going to get that angle, that arc angle there? Okay, so to get that arc up there from C to D in degrees, we need to first figure out, well, they're giving us two secants intersecting in a circle from an outside point. So this is that intersecting secant conjecture, which says that the angle is half the difference of the larger arc minus the smaller arc. Well, the larger arc, we don't know what it is. That's the one over here in green from D to L. We do know the smaller arc, which is from O to C, which is 60. So let's go ahead and figure out what that arc is, D to L, first. So let's use our intersecting secant conjecture. So I'm going to do 50 degrees is equal to 1/2. I'm going to name arc DL as X. X minus the smaller arc, which is 60. Here's an equation. Let's get rid of the half. So we're going to cross multiply and bring it over by multiplying 50 by 2. So that's going to be 100 equals X minus 60. So that arc from D to L must have been 160 degrees. Okay, how does that help us? Now that we know that that arc from D to L is 160, and I have 60 on the top, my whole circle is 360. Now if you notice here, they're telling us that we have two congruent chords. So here's another conjecture about the two congruent chords in a circle, that their arcs are also congruent. So if I add up my 160 and the 60, and I get 220, subtract that from 360, and then divide that in half, and then when I divide in half there, I get it to be 70 degrees. So right now I have the arc in degrees, 70, but they want to know the arc length. So now I need to use the arc length formula. So I'm going to take 2 times pi times r, the angle divided by 360. Okay, so we have the radius as 36, 2 pi times 36. I just figured out that arc angle there, which is 70 degrees over 360. Go ahead and use your calculator, simplify and cancel, and I get arc CD to be 14 pi feet. So that's the measurement of arc length of CD, 14 pi feet.